Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. In this channel, we always discuss about money making, make money online, investment, personal finance, budgeting, and personal finance, budgeting, and something that can, anything that can relate to finance. That is what we normally discuss in this channel. Today, we shall be discussing very, very important aspect of topics, which is 15 best investment opportunities in Nigeria in 2025 with high return on investment. 15 best investments opportunities in Nigeria in 2025 that guarantee return on investment. Don't miss this 15 smart investment in Nigeria for 2025. Are you wondering where to put your money in Nigeria, especially during this inflation and the rising cost of living? But I can tell you, smart investors are still making money in this critical situation of Nigeria. So today, I will be giving to you 15 powerful areas you can delve into or you can invest in Nigeria and make wealth. Quickly, I want to specifically thank all my subscribers, all my viewers for the opportunity, because we have been approved by YouTube to be a YouTube partner. So that is the essence of of that is the essence of coming to YouTube and give what we will be able to know to people. This is an advantage. We are giving them for free, but at least for being a partner with YouTube, it is something. So we thank God for that, and I thank you all for what you have done. So quickly, let us dive into the business we have today. 15 smart investments opportunities in Nigeria in 2025 that guarantee return on investment. There are some 15 opportunities available in Nigeria when you have your money that you can put your money in and make your money work for you. Quickly, number one is Nigerian stock market. Nigerian stock market or US stocks. You can invest in Nigerian stock market in the like of blue chip companies, in the like of Dangote, in the like of Seplat, in the like of Bua Cement, in the like of Dangote Sugars, in the like of Zenith Bank, in the like of UBA, in the light of Access Bank, in the light of Fidelity Bank. These are blue chip companies that you can just put your money in and watch how your money is growing. I want you to have the long-time mindset for stocks. Stocks is not for short-time investment. It's for long-time investment because of the volatility in the prices of stocks. It can go up, it can go down, but be rest assured, when you invest in these blue chip companies, I can assure you, even if they come down, they are still going up. Right? And that is it. You can even buy Nigerian stocks here in Nigeria. You can buy US stocks. You can buy ETF, exchange traded funds. In the like of, how do you go about this? You need a broker for you to be able to move forward. You need investing in stock. You need a broker, and then there's an online broker. You can just download them for free. In the like of Optimus, in the like of Babu, in the like of Chaka, in the like of Trove. These are Afrinvest 2.0. These are platforms that you can quickly, you can put your money into there. When you have registered for free, you can put your money and buy any stock. Even on your bed, you can look at the stock you want to buy and buy them. And you can be watching the way your performances of your valuation. They'll be giving you valuation of your stock on a weekly basis. That is what we are talking about. So it's very easy. It's one of the ways. It's one of the ways to make money. But you have to have long-time mindset. That is just it. It's not, you cannot buy, you must put not the money that you will need on a frequent basis that you can put in stocks. Just put sizable amount of your investment, of your income, and put it and leave it for minimum. Just have the mindset of minimum of 4-5 years. You will see how your money will grow. Most of the millionaires, they make their money through stock buying. That's what I want to tell you. You can buy US stock on Bamboo. You can buy US stock on Optimus. You can buy it on Chaka. You don't need to put all your investment in Naira. You can put some in dollars to hedge against inflation. That's what we are talking about. Number two is real estate investment. There's no way, if you have money, real estate investment can quickly make you money. You can buy property for rentage. You can buy property for commercial rentage. You can do Airbnb. So many ways you can do investment trust. In the like of UPDC, in the like of SF REITs, in the like of Union Homes Investment REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust Fund. This kind of companies are being traded on stock of exchange. You can buy, as you are buying share, you can buy this kind of real estate investment trust. So you will just put your money, and government mandated that 90% of whatever income they are making, they must share it among the shareholders. That is the beauty of REITs for you, real estate investment trust. That is what we are talking about. So if you don't have the capacity to buy property, or to flip land, or to buy land, or whatever, you can, with little amount you have, you can go to the market and buy through this company. Union Homes REITs, we have SFS REITs, we have UPDC REITs. So they are, and you can sell at interval. Whenever you need your money, you can go to the stock market and sell. That is it. If you don't have money to buy outright property, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trust. Number three is agriculture and agribusiness. These are the way you could go about, because of Nigerian population. Whatever aspect, there are so many ways you can do agricultural business. You can do poultry farming, you can do rice farming, you can do so many things about agriculture. You can do livestock, depending on your capacity, depending on the area of interest. That's what we are talking about. Agribusiness is moving because of Nigerian population. Nigeria need food. So you can do farming, you make a lot of money. At the same time, you can buy agricultural produce when they are very cheap, and then you store them. When they are very scarce, the price will go up, then you will sell. In the like of palm oil, you can go to East and go and buy palm oil in 25 liters. In any amount, if you have 100,000, 200,000, just go and buy it where they are very cheap. When they are very cheap, around January, February, March, April, they are very cheap. When it's getting to October, November, they are very expensive. That's what we are talking about. When you keep it, you put it in somewhere that is very precise. I mean, that cannot be congealed. Don't put it on the floor, bare floor. You can put something on ground and put them on it, and you store it. It's what I've done before, and you make a lot of money. That's what we are talking about. With 100,000 now, you can buy about 5 or 25 liters or whatever. You sell at least you make minimum of 50% gain. That's what we are talking. So it's an area you can look into this year and make a lot of money if you want to put your money and let your money work for you. Then the next one is Treasury Bill and federal government saving bonds. Treasury Bill and federal government saving bonds. These are low risk investment. It's like you have a government backing. It's like you are borrowing government money. Government cannot run away with your money. Treasury bill interests are very good now, and you can run it for 30 days, for 90 days, for up to 364 days. That's what we are talking about. And interests are very good now, running from 15 to 18%. You are not working. If you put 1 million, maybe it's around 20%, you put 1 million. Then at the end of the day, you will get 1.2 million. At the end of the year, if you put it for 1 year, your 1 million, if you put it in bank, I can assure you, if you put 1 million naira in bank in January, you cannot get that your 1 million by the end, especially you put it in current account. You cannot get it by the end of the year, because some charges will have been reduced. A lot of things will have been removed from your money. SMS charges, bank charges. By the time maybe you will see around 980,000. That's what we are talking about. But if you have 1 million, you put it in Treasury Bill. Treasury Bill will be issued on a monthly basis. You put it in Treasury Bill. 1 million, we put in Treasury Bill, you will get 200,000 naira. And at the same time, the beauty of Treasury Bill, maybe you want to take your interest upfront, so you can pay 800,000 naira. That is, I'm just assuming that the interest rate is 20%. So that by the time you put 800,000, at the end of the year, they will give you 1 million naira back. And it's a safest investment that you can do. You are not running any risk. It's low risk investment. This Treasury Bill comes out every month. I always notify people. I always notify my subscribers whenever this Treasury Bill is out for people to take. And how do you participate in Treasury Bill? It's through your broker. It's through your broker. All this one I've mentioned, how to buy stock. You can buy Treasury Bills. You can approach your broker directly that you want to buy Treasury Bills. Because if you want to buy directly with CBN, you must have minimum of 50 million. But you don't have up to that. But with broker, you can buy as little as 100,000 naira. The least you can buy is 800,000 naira as Treasury Bills. So if you have any money that you feel, don't keep your money in bank that will not give you that will not give you any interest. Put your money where your money will generate another money for you. That is what we are talking about. You can buy federal government savings bond. That one is into 2 years, and they pay you quarterly interest on it. That's what we are talking about. So on every 2 years, you put it for 2 years, but your interest will be paid on a quarterly basis for you. For example, as I've said, 1 million, you put 1 million federal government savings bond, 200,000 will be divided by 4, and they will pay you on a quarterly basis. That's what we are talking about. So it's a very good investment with low risk investment, and the interest rates are very good. It's 15 up to 50% to 90%. I can assure you, it's a very good one. That is one of the area that I especially for a beginner, that you can look up and put your money and let your money generate fund for you. The next one is high yield savings account. High yield savings account platform. You don't need to put your money into your current account or your savings account with bank that they are not generating anything for you. But you can put your money in high yield savings account. You put your money in the like of Optimus. I use Optimus enough. I'll put the description of Optimus on this platform. You have daily interest. I can assure you, when I got to start with Optimus that was in September last year. When I move all my money, especially my business money, when it's getting to a little threshold, I move it to Optimus. I know how much I'm earning on a daily, on a monthly basis. And you have opportunity to leave it in your wallet and still be earning. You have opportunity to put it. You have as an opt flex. That is, you can put it there and you can only withdraw there 5 times in a month. That's what we are talking about. And you earn higher interest than leaving it in your wallet. Or you put it in up lock. You can lock it for 3 months. The interests are very high. It's about 16-17%. That's what we are talking about. Instead of leaving your money idle without working for you, why can't you leave it in Optimus and put it in Optimus? Other platforms like Bamboo too. You can put your money in Bamboo. You can buy stock of Bamboo. You can put your money in Bamboo and earn interest. Very good interest. That's what we are calling high yield savings account. That is, you don't need to put your money where is your bank will not be using your money. Bank doesn't want to hear. Fintech platform, they are taking away most of these savings because people that have financial knowledge knows that if you put your money and they are being approved by Nigeria Security and Exchange, so you don't need to entertain any fear. Maybe your money will lose or you lost or what? No. If you invest in Bamboo, you are safe. If you invest in Cowrywise, you are safe. If you invest in Optimus, you are safe. If you invest in Chaka, you are safe. Go and look at them. They are being registered to operate in Nigeria. Before Nigeria can approve you, they know the people behind those platforms. That is what we are talking about. So you don't need to entertain any fear. Don't keep your money in bank without generating any interest for you. The next one, which is number 6, where you can put your money, especially where you can invest in Nigeria. That's what we are discussing. Number 6 is mutual funds. Mutual funds, especially money market fund. Money market fund is like you are giving your money to a professional manager to manage for you. Very easy. You don't need to do anything. You just give it to them. They will now structure it and invest in a low security investment for you. They collect money from every investor and invest on your behalf. Your own is to just register on the platform. And when you have registered, you put your money there, especially on Stanbic IBTC money market fund. You put your money there, and your money will be generating interest, or you see the value. Both the interest and everything will be compounding for you. If you put like 1 million there, in the next 5 years, your money will have grown up to 1.3 or 1.4. That's what we are talking about. Mutual fund is like giving your money instead of you to know which money market to buy. Is I'm going to buy ABN? Am I going to buy AR? Am I going to go through ARM? No, you can put your money for that professional manager, and most of the banks they have it. ABN have money market. They call it ABN Quest. ARM is available. Then if you want online platform, register on Cowrywise. Cowrywise, I use Cowrywise a lot. Series of money market funds are there. Choose the one by their interest rate. Choose the one you like. Register for free on the platform and continue to make your money. That's what we are talking about. You are not working. It's your money that is working for you. That's what we are seeing. As you are sleeping, you are making some money. At the end of the day, you are saying your value. You cannot see value today. The next day, you are looking at your value, and your capital is safe. The only thing that can go up and that is the interest element because of the volatility in the interest. But your capital will remain as it is. And anytime you can quit, anytime you can disengage from them and collect your money. That's what we are talking about. Mutual fund is another good avenue that you can put your money in Nigeria as an investor. That's what we are talking about. Then number 7 is export business. This is gold mine. Export business. You can export cashew. You can export any food materials. If you don't have big money, you can export fish. I will give you a contact of a company. I just, register with them to be trained. They call it a chimert logistics. I think their cost is 30,000. You need to invest in yourself. It's 30,000 naira. They will teach you how to do packaging. They will help you to ship it. They will help you to look for customers. I will put their phone number on the description of this video. You can contact them directly. I think their cost is 30,000. You can start little. You can start little as 50,000, 100,000. You can package gari. You can package so many things. Fish. You know, you can pack anything that is good in Nigeria. You know, Nigerians are in abroad and they buy Nigerian food. All these things, if you don't have big money to export through to export directly by yourself, but there is they will teach you everything, how to, you know, how to get customer, where to put them to. These are export business. You can invest your money. If you invest 30,000 naira, I'll put the contact of Chimert Logistics on this on the description of this on the description of this video. You can contact them. When you contact them, tell them you want to register to be trained on how to do exporting of agriculture, Nigerian food, agricultural products, whatever, palm oil, everything. They will teach you the way to package it, and they will even help you to ship it. That is the extent. So I've registered with them, which I'm still learning with them. That's why I'm introducing to you. Export business is, you earn in dollar, you earn in foreign exchange. That is the beauty of it. And by the time you have about 3 or 4 customers, they will be engaging in it directly. Just do it once and see the way it goes. And you continue to do it. You build your tentacle from there. You build your customer base. They will connect you. They will direct you. They will let you know the way to go about it. That's what we are talking about. That is exporting business. Then the next one is commercial paper. Another area an investor always appreciate and make money through investment without working is commercial paper. Commercial paper is an avenue for corporate organization. For corporate organization to seek for funds, especially in Nigeria, is a short-time unsecured investment instrument issued by corporate organizations. Short-time unsecured instrument issued by corporate organizations, you know, to raise funds for themselves. That's what we are talking about. Most of them are these blue chip company. This commercial paper, they will raise, maybe they need 1 billion, you know, like in the like of Dangote, in the like of Flour Mills, in the like of, you know, in the like of any big company. You can buy through banks. You can invest, but the minimum you can invest is 5 million. That is the challenge. The minimum you can invest in commercial paper is, you know, but the interest rate of commercial papers are higher than Treasury Bills. And there are no risk investment because it has never existed in Nigeria. Other company that raise money does not pay back. You are giving them, and the period is between 15 days to 270 days period of commercial papers. That is, if you have 5 million, whenever they raise, especially in Afrinvest 2.0, they always tell you when there is any commercial paper available for people to, you know, it's just a way of pulling funds to be given to that corporate company for them to use it and pay interest on that particular fund. It's just like Treasury, but this one is issued by corporate organizations, blue chip corporate organizations that they know they cannot default. In the like of MTN, in the like of Dangote, in the like of Flour Mills. That's what we are talking about. So number 9 is oil and gas business. Oil and gas business is lucrative in Nigeria. I can tell you, depending on your categories of capacity, you can delve into it. You know, have you not seen your locality people that sell gas? They invest in this container, or some people, they will come and load it for them. Some people will buy at the filling station and have their margin and they sell it. That is oil and gas business. That is your own level. But you can invest, you can invest and be getting it, have a factory and continue to make money. If you can invest in this kind of people, a lot of people use gas now. Nobody use charcoal. Nobody use wood again. That is why this business is very lucrative. Gas business is a very lucrative business. I can assure you, if you can invest in this kind of business, you will never regret. You make a lot of money. That's what we are talking about. Oil and gas. Then number 10 is transportation and logistics. Transportation and logistics. If you can invest in this kind of scenarios, you make a lot of money. Transportation, people must move. Transportation is a living thing. People must move from one location to the other. Either you have motor or you have negative bench or you have anything. We must move from one location. We must move from one location to the other. So you need transportation for you to be able to survive. Especially we that do e-commerce, we need people that will deliver our goods to our customer in a fast manner. You know, this business, delivery business, is a very good business. I'm telling you, it's a very good business. People are still looking for them. People need integrity, dispatch rider. If you don't even have bike, you can use your legacy banks and still do it perfectly. I know a lot of people I contact because I sell things online. Whenever I have a request from my customer, the first thing that will come to my mind, who will go and help me to deliver it? I can pay as much as 10,000 naira within the Ikeja and the Lagos Island because I want you to get to that place. You know, in fact, they are the god of commercial business because you cannot do it yourself. You can be in your house, but you need a trusted people, trusted delivery agent. I'm talking from experience for you to be able to deliver for you. It's a very good business. If you can do that, if you can invest in anything that is making you money without stress, it's what I call investment. That's what we are talking about. So, logistics and transportation business. A lot of people, you don't know that some people are invested in Marua and bring it to the country and give it to people that are riding Marua, and they put people on different stations. So to collect their money, have you not witnessed it? You will see one location, they will give them maybe 3,000 naira. That's the way they collect them. That's the way they station them along their route so that they will be monitoring them and make their money. So when you pay, they give it to them at higher purchase. They too, they will be careful and use it so that at the end of the day, it will become their own. That's what we are talking about. Transportation business and logistics is a very good business that you can do in Nigeria and invest your money and you will not regret it. The next one is school investment and education. School investment and education. Because of Nigerian young population guarantees demand. Children are many. On Sunday, in our church on Sunday, when they said they should bring the children has to come over for pastor to pray for them. Children are more than their parents. There are so many. That is to tell you that school will be ready because these children cannot be at home. They must go to where they will be trained in school. That's what we are talking about. So it's a very good business. If you establish school, but you manage it very well in a good environment, or you do daycare, you invest in daycare, it can be in your sitting room or wherever, you put a labeling like children would like, you put everything and colorful, I can assure you, you will be continue to be making money. When any parent that knows that their children are very safe in your hand, they will tell other parents and they will bring children for you. That's what we are talking about. Another one that is raining is this CBT, computer-based test. It's raining now. Anybody that has space, just look for money. Get these laptops, all these laptops, they are very cheap at Computer Village. Just invest in them, put it there, let somebody set up for you. You will be collecting money. You know, this work now, they are now computer-based system. So a lot of people are going to that area now. Even some schools doesn't have that kind of facility. So if you have that facility, in fact, you continue to make money continually. If you can be able to do CBT, is ready. Especially in the city where a lot of people needed to have this kind of facility. So if you can invest in this kind of facility, you make a lot of money. It's an opportunity. The next one, which is number 12, is renewable energy. That is solar solution. Because of erratic supply of light, people need solar. A lot of people are going to solar now. So if you can invest in this kind of business, there's no way you will not make it. Solar business, especially in Nigeria, where there's shortage of light. I'm telling you, a lot of people want to have at least solar that can power their phone, power their television, give them a little light. That's what we are talking about. If you can invest in this business, I can assure you, you make a lot of money. You can partner with people that understand it, and all of you do the business together, and you share profit according to your contribution. That's what we are talking about. Number 13 is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, is volatile. If you don't understand it very well, it's better not to go to that area. Crypto, you can lose a lot of money and you can gain. Their gain is very high because the risks are very high. So if you gain, you'll be happy. But you can lose all your money. That's crypto for you. So if you want to invest little on popular crypto coins like Ethereum, like Bitcoin, that cannot be just go down anyhow. But the little you have on it, you'll be satisfied with it. Just put little of your money that you can be able to. If you lost the money, it will not affect you. That is what I can tell you about crypto. But the high risk and you can make high returns on it. That is cryptocurrency for you. Number 14 is technical business, e-commerce business, and digital product business. Digital product is a beauty business. I mean, it's a very good business. I can assure you. Any knowledge that you can package them in the e-book. You can package them as a course. You can package them. You do the work once and you make money for life. That is the beauty of digital products. You just need maybe any information that you know from your parent that can cure any ailment. That you are very sure that if anybody apply it, they will be happy. I can assure you, and it will solve their problems. Then there's no way package it, put it on seller. Anybody that comes there, you will know, you'll just be seeing an alert. Overnight, you'll just be seeing an alert. Just do the work for once and hand for life. That is the beauty of digital products. I can assure you. Just think of anything about finance. You can be discussing about finance. You can just write up and how people that can invest in Nigerian stock market, how people can do this. If you put it in a platform and then you understand it very well, you can direct them and you put your contact, you sell it at 2,000, 5,000. If you buy sell at 2,000, if 50 people buy a day or 40 people, you know how much you are making. And you continue to make money like that all through the years. That's what we are talking about. Digital product, technical business is a very good business. You can look at number 50, which is the last one, is dollar investment. Dollar investment. At least you can put some of your money in dollars in order to hedge against inflation. You can buy US stocks, in the like of Apple, in the like of Tesla, or ETF, in the like of S&P 500. These are US. You can buy in dollar. You can buy them on Bamboo. On this my channel, I think I've done how I bought Nigerian stocks on Bamboo. I will do how I will buy US stocks on Bamboo and record my phone screen and put it on this platform so that you can see. It's very easy. You can buy you can buy as little as $1, $5. You understand? And you can fund your money on Bamboo. Or on Optimus. You can fund through your Naira. They will give you exchange rate. If you are fine with that, then it will be converted to dollars, which will be used to buy these US stocks. That is what we are talking about. It's a very good one. So these are 15 smart investors use to put their money, especially in Nigeria, and make a lot of money. I have some bonuses here. You can invest in gold. Gold is a very good one. In fact, the rate of gold, the rates gold are increasing. You can buy gold and keep. You can buy physically, or you can buy gold ETF. I don't think we have gold ETF in Nigeria, but we have in America, US. So you can buy gold ETF. You can buy gold physically and keep. In the olden day when our parents, they always keep gold and they can sell it at way, and they will sell it when the value has gone up. The value of gold is always up. That's what we are talking about. You can invest in yourself. It's very important. Invest in yourself. Look for money. Keep your money aside to invest in yourself, in your family. For you to be able to enjoy your life, have peace, invest with your parents, invest with your children, invest with your wife, go out together to enjoy yourself together. It's an avenue. It might not give you financial joy, but at least you blend together. You will be happy. When you happy, joy comes. When joy comes, money comes. That's what I'm saying. You can be able to think very well. If you don't have any issue, you'll be able to think on the next course of action to make. These are smart investment ways you can invest your money and make a lot of money in this Nigeria. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, what I just want you to do for me is to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you will be among the first person to watch. At the same time, I want to specifically like this video. Very, very important to me. Like this video. When you like this video, YouTube organic will be able to share it to so many people so that a lot of people will be able to be abreast of it. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end and for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.